Question is same. Find centroid of the shaded region for the given lamina. What is the first step?
Symmetric.
The object is symmetry or not.
Yes. Check whether the object is symmetric or not. So whether it is symmetric.
No.
No.
Yes, it is symmetric along x-axis.
Yes, it is symmetric about x-axis. What is our definition of symmetry?
Mirror image.
What is the definition of symmetry?
left side.
Mirror image.
Yes.
Mirror image of picture.
Yes. A line which divides the entire object into two parts such that one part is mirror image of another. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if I draw this line, if I consider this line, is it dividing the entire object into two parts? Such
Yes.
that one part is
Yes,
mirror
sir.
image of another?
Yes.
Yes. So this will be
Yes,
termed
sir.
as axis of symmetry. And
Symmetry.
it is along which axis?
X-axis.
It is along x-axis. And if
Yes.
the object is symmetric about x-axis, where we will locate our reference?
Left side, sir. Most left.
Yes, it will be on the axis of symmetry and the leftmost part. So let us
Yes.
select this as our reference point. Again, I repeat, if the figure is symmetric about x-axis, the location or the reference point should be selected on axis of symmetry towards left side. And as soon as I select this as my reference, my first line will be here like this. As figure is symmetric about which axis? Say about
X-axis.
yes. As figure is symmetric about x-axis, y bar is equal to
Zero.
Yes,
Zero.
y bar will be zero.
Zero.
There is no need to calculate y bar. There is no need to calculate y bar. Y bar will be zero, provided that this reference you have selected, which we have selected here. Any doubts? What is the next step? Reference select. Okay. What is next step?
Parts.
Yes, divide the
Table.
entire objects into minimum number of standard parts. So what are the minimum number of standard parts in this?
Triangle, square और एक semicircle.
Triangle, square और semicircle. बराबर?
Yes.
और ये
Yes,
सर्कल कहाँ गया? ये बेचारा छोटा सा.
हाँ वो भी है.
अगर मैं इसको
Quarter
इस तरीके से
circle.
लाइन बनाऊं, see this. तो ये semicircle हो गया पूरा.
हाँ.
ये semicircle, and if I draw a line here, now what is this? Center part.
Triangle.
Center part triangle. है.
Rectangle.
Yes, it will be a rectangle.
Rectangle or
Rectangle.
And then we
ये
can
right
consider
angle triangle उसके बाद.
this.
Right
अब देखो,
angle
now
triangle.
someone told me that it is a right angle triangle. And if you consider
Triangle.
this as right angle triangle, there are two parts then. The right angle triangle at top, right angle triangle at bottom. But क्यों जरूरी है हमको दो right angle triangle consider करना? Can we not consider this entire one triangle, normal triangle?
कर सकते सर.
कर सकते हैं ना. तो unnecessary parts नहीं बढ़ाना है. जितना कम हो सकता है. देखो स्टेप में क्या है? फाइंड द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड पार्ट. जितना कम हो सकता है उतना करो. आप अगर इसको दो अलग अलग ट्राइंगल लेके करोगे तब भी आंसर सही आएगा. आंसर एग्जैक्टली सेम आएगा, बट क्या होगा? नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स इंक्रीज होंगे, कैलकुलेशन इंक्रीज होगा, एंड चांसेस ऑफ मिस्टेक विल आल्सो इंक्रीज. तो जितने कम कर सकते हैं उतना करना है. सो एनी डाउट्स इन पार्ट्स नाउ?
No.
Yes. So first part we'll consider this as this one. Let us say first part. Then second part will be, I consider will this be rectangle, and third part I will consider this entire triangle, and fourth part I will consider this one as the. So the next
Yes, sir.
is design, or sorry, draw the calculation table. So I will write here figure, then it will be area, then it will be x bar, then it will be y bar. Is it correct or no?
नो सर, जरूरत नहीं है इसकी.
Yes, y bar की जरूरत नहीं है because already हमने यहाँ लिख दी. See here, y bar is 0, so no need to calculate y bar. तो कैलकुलेट अगर करना नहीं है तो उसको टेबल में भी नहीं दिखाना है. Next column is ai xi, and next column will be ai yi. Correct?
No, sir.
No.
नो सर.
नहीं बनाने का ना सर.
Yes.
y है नहीं तो
जब
नहीं
y
बनाएंगे.
bar 0 है तो ai yi भी क्या आएगा? 0 ही आएगा, because anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. So no need to calculate, and because of this the sum has been reduced to half. सीधा calculation आधा हो गया just by writing these two lines. as figure is symmetric about x-axis, y bar is equal to 0. So this has the advantage of getting you 2 marks also, and also the calculation work has been reduced. First figure is this one, which we have taken as semicircle. Okay, semicircle. Now again I will explain about semicircle. So for semicircle if I draw it here, we know that from the diameter end towards this side, the value is how much?
4r by 3 pi.
4r by 3 pi. Confirm? Yes. So from the diameter end towards this side, it will be 4r by 3 pi. So applying the same logic here, we have from this point towards this side, the value will be how much? 4r by 3 pi. Is it right or wrong?
Right, sir.
ठीक है, diameter से इस तरफ it will be 4r by 3 pi. Okay, now match this reference with our reference. So this is the reference from where I got the answer as minus 4r by 3 pi here. Not minus 4r by 3 pi, we know it 4r by 3 pi. But it is from which distance? From here to here it is 4r by 3 pi. But from where we need the distance?
The reference point.
Yes, we need the distance from our reference point. Means I need the distance from this point to this point. So what will be your answer?
70 minus
Distance क्या होगा?
70 minus 4r by
परफेक्ट आंसर. अगर ये टोटल 70 है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 70, और हमने बोल दिया कि फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर, अगेन सी हियर, फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर इट इज 4r by 3 pi. तो ये बचा हुआ डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? इट विल बी 70 minus 4r by 3 pi. So in place of x bar I will write now 70 minus 4 into r. What is r?
35.
r is
35.
देखो यही मिस्टेक होती है एग्जाम में.
70.
35 कैसे होगा?
70.
r is 70 ओनली. देखो हमको डिस्टेंस क्या दिया यहाँ पर? ये 70 दिया, ये वाला पार्ट. ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक टोटल डिस्टेंस 70 है. एंड व्हाट इज दिस डिस्टेंस? दिस इज नथिंग बट रेडियस. ये रेडियस ही है. तो 4 into 70 divided by 3 pi. And area we all know it is pi into r square divided by 2. Next object is, let us say, rectangle. Rectangle of size what by what?
80 and 90.
80 or 90.
And 90, correct. So we know that center lie exactly here, or centroid lies here at a distance of, let us say, 40 and 45. From which point? From this point. Now look at this point in our figure. This is this point. ठीक है. अब हमको y तो देखना ही नहीं है, So what will be x? यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? ये डिस्टेंस अभी हमने निकाले 40. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक 40, बट हमको डिस्टेंस कहाँ से चाहिए? हमको डिस्टेंस
रेफरेंस पॉइंट से.
यहाँ से यहाँ तक का टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना हो जाएगा?
110
It will be 70 plus this 40. So
plus
it will
40.
be 110. So in place of x bar I will
110.
write 70 plus 40, which gives you 110. And area we all know it is 90 into 80. Okay, now let us go for the third part. Third part is this triangle. Triangle area half into base. What will be base? Base is 90. देखो यहाँ पर दिख रहा है 45 and 45. So total base will be 90, and height is given to us as 65 here. So 90 by 65. So half into 90 into 65. And we know that centroid lies somewhere here at a distance of 65 by 3, height by 3. From which point? From this point. So look at this point here. This is this point. Now we know that centroid lies here at this point, which is at a distance of 65 by 3. Okay, h by 3. From this point to this point, answer is 65 by 3. But I need distance from which point? I need distance from this point, this reference. So what will be the answer? चलो फटाफट. What will be the answer?
150.
150. कैसे आया? नहीं, not 150.
70 plus 80 plus
Yes.
65 by
Perfect answer. It will be 70 plus 80 plus 65 by 70 plus 80. अब तो मैं सिर्फ यहाँ तक ही पहुंचा हूँ. From here to here I need to travel. कितना डिस्टेंस है ये? It is 65 by 3. So I will write here plus 65 by last part. Last part is circle. So circle. Okay, circle with a radius of 35. Already it is given. The circle radius is 35. So it will be pi into 35 square. Is it correct?
Minus.
Yes, it will be minus because it is not a part of the shaded region. Because it is not a part of shaded region. So it will be minus pi r square. Now what about x and y? We know that centroid lies exactly at the center here. ठीक है. अब ये देखो, ये यहाँ पर हमारा ये सेंटर है. From here to here, how much is the distance? Simple.
70 है.
मेरे को यहाँ से यहाँ
70
तक
है,
आना
sir.
है. डायरेक्ट 70 और कुछ भी ऐड नहीं होगा. So directly it is 70. So I will stop here and I expect that you complete this problem and send me the answers on WhatsApp group.